A teacher who survived the Santa Fe High School shooting offered emotional testimony today about State Senate Bill 1596. It would remove short barrel weapons from a list of banned weapons in Texas. Supporters say the ban is outdated and infringes on the Second Amendment. But Flo Rice argues the ban outlaws the kind of gun used in the 2018 shooting that killed 8 students and 2 teachers.
In the classrooms, the kids were trapped. They were easy targets for the wide blast of this sawed-off shotgun. He didn't even have to aim.
I am a gun owner. I think that this bill is really important. I'm glad that you guys have brought this up to us. I have an AR-15 and I'm 4'11", so it takes up more than half of my body. So that makes it a little bit more difficult to be accurate, just as he said. And I think this is a wonderful bill. It's good for women. It's good for children. So I really urge you guys to pass it, and I appreciate your time.
If approved, short barrel guns would become legal on September 1st.